Face Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I'm definitely going to have to try this later to see how this works. The other thing that I will be trying right now is from Farmacy. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I'm super excited to try this. I've tried the Clinique cleansing balm and the Olay one, and they work really good, so I'm hoping this one works just as good as those. Let's see here. So the next thing we're going to pull out of lipsticks though, I have 4 of them already that I own and love. They're like the dark purpley maroon and vampy reds and the blue, the Echo, I think is the name of it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put on this hot pink. Alright, that is super bright. And then the last thing that is in the box is from It Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $24. I actually own, well, I have the sample size of this and I freaking love it. So I'm super happy to get the full size of it to try out, well, to use. So we'll go ahead and put that on. Alright, so here's the finished look using everything in my BoxyCharm. Everything totaled up to $134, which is a huge jump from the $21 that you spent on the box. So it's definitely worth it. I highly recommend subscribing to the monthly box. I will leave all the information on BoxyCharm in the description box down below. But I thank you for watching. I have to say, out of everything, the Pure Cosmetic palette, I am not a fan of it. I think they needed more matte colors in there for transition, and that brown just really did not blend out well for me. So wasn't a huge fan of that. The lipstick, like I said, I love the formula. I love the formula of Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks. This color, I don't know about the color though. I'm still like, it's a pretty color, but it's not the normal color that I would wear. So have to get used to that part of it. But again, I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you'll be reminded the next time I upload. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below of what items that you got. Were they different from what I got? I'd like to hear what items you got in your box this month. Alright, you have a great day.